Let me show you how to factory reset your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you wanted to factory reset and delete out all your photos, your email, your messages, etc., and bring it back to just the factory default as if you just bought it, maybe because you're selling it or giving it away, or you just wanted to reset everything, I'll show you how to do it. Let's first just open up the Settings app on your iPhone. So if you're not already there, open up Settings. We'll do this entire video in the Settings app. The first thing we need to do is make sure everything is backed up so you don't lose your data. To do that, you're going to tap on your name at the top, and then you can see a bunch of information. Midway down, we're going to choose iCloud. This is where everything is backed up. Let's tap on Save to iCloud where it says See All and make sure everything is toggled on here. So make sure all these are toggled on so that they're all backed up to your iCloud. When you do that factory reset, you'll still have a copy of them on the cloud. Next, we're going to go back one and we're going to tap on iCloud Backup here. Now you're going to see last successful backup. You can see it there. No matter what, just tap on backup now just so that you have a copy of it as of right now, right before you do that factory reset. Now to do it after you've waited for that to back up, of course, just wait a few minutes for it to back up and then go back to the very beginning of your settings. From the beginning of your settings, all you need to do is scroll down, tap on General, and then scroll down again to the bottom until you get to transfer or reset your iPhone. Tap on that. Now you can see erase all content and settings. Essentially what this does is says erasing will sign out of your Apple account, remove your personal data so your iPhone can be safely traded or given away, or you can of course sell it, or this is a good option if there's just a big corruption in your iPhone and you want to start it all over. Now keep in mind it will delete your apps and data, sign you out of your Apple account. It will remove the Find My activation lock. It will remove any kind of credit card or debit card on your Apple Wallet. And lastly, it will remove your eSIM if you have a phone number associated with this phone. Now, when you're ready to go, just hit continue, and you're going to choose delete eSIM and erase data at the very bottom. By going through this process, again, it will bring it back to factory default. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.